Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best of the beauty world. Have you ever noticed how easily heat styling tools can take a toll on your hair? Whether it's flat ironing, curling, or blow drying, heat damage is a real concern. But what if there was a solution that could not only protect your hair from high temperatures, but also repair existing damage? Enter the OGX Repair and Protect Bond Protein Repair Heat Protection Spray, a product designed to tackle heat damage head-on. Let's see if this claims to be a true game-changer for your hair care routine. The OGX Repair and Protect Bond Protein Repair Heat Protection Spray comes in a convenient 6.5 flat ounce bottle. Its purpose? To provide targeted repair and protection from heat damage without weighing your hair down. It's infused with a bond protein complex, which is said to deliver 80% less breakage and make your hair 6 by stronger. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive in. In terms of ingredients, this heat protection spray relies on smart binding proteins to target and repair areas of damage. When you apply it, it doesn't just coat your hair with a layer of protection. It actively works to restore the hair's strength and structure without leaving a greasy or heavy residue. It's a lightweight formula that delivers up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit of heat protection. Now, that's impressive, right? Using it in your routine is a breeze. The instructions are clear. Shake the bottle well and spray it on damp hair from mid-length to the ends, avoiding the roots. Then proceed with your usual styling routine, whether you're blow drying or curling. I use this product in a real-world setting, styling my hair in different ways, first with a blow dryer and then with a flat iron. It performs seamlessly, providing a smooth finish without leaving any sticky or crunchy feeling, which is something I truly appreciate. It also left my hair looking glossy and feeling soft, which I didn't expect from a product meant for heat protection. When we talk about the pros of this spray, one of the biggest highlights is its ability to deliver heat protection without making your hair feel weighed down. Many heat protectants can leave your strands feeling sticky or heavy, but this one didn't. Another advantage is the bond protein complex, which seems to offer real repair to damaged areas. I noticed a slight improvement in the strength of my hair after just a few uses, and my ends appeared healthier. On the flip side, while the product promises no weigh down, I did feel like the product could have given a bit more shine. My hair looked good, but it didn't have that ultra-luxurious gloss that some other sprays provide. Also, although the scent isn't overpowering, it's something to consider if you're sensitive to fragrances. When evaluating value for money, OGX stands at a sweet spot. Priced reasonably for the performance it offers, it provides solid heat protection and repair, making it a worthwhile addition to most hair care routines. However, if you're someone who relies on heavy-duty styling tools daily or have extremely damaged hair, you may want to look at professional-grade options. In comparison to other heat protectants, the OGX spray stands out because of its lightweight formula. Many others are heavy on the hair, which can leave you with limp or greasy-looking strands. For someone who needs regular protection without the weight, this spray does the job excellently. However, when compared to higher-end brands, it might not offer as advanced ingredients, especially if you're looking for more potent reparative properties. Now let's touch on build quality. The packaging is simple but functional. Nothing too extravagant, but it works. The bottle is sturdy, and the spray nozzle delivers an even mist that allows for easy application. When it comes to longevity, it's hard to say whether the effects will last long-term, but based on my short-term use, I believe this product is effective in the short run for both protection and repair. In terms of customer support, I haven't had to reach out to OGX directly, but the brand is generally known for being responsive and accessible. Their customer service has received positive feedback from others, so if you run into any issues, you can likely expect helpful support. If you're on the lookout for a cheaper alternative, there are options like the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray, which also provides solid heat protection at a lower price point. While the Tresemme spray doesn't claim to repair damaged hair as OGX does, it's a decent option for those just looking to protect their hair from heat. So, does the OGX Repair and Protect Bond Protein Repair Heat Protection Spray live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's an effective heat protector that also delivers on its promise of repairing damage and strengthening hair. If you're someone who styles their hair regularly with heat tools and needs a light yet effective protection solution, this is definitely worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Do you think it works as well as it promises? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.